tree down. So we're gonna make a little go-around trail here.
It looks like I'm living in my car when I go to the gym. All my bags. We went to Safeway and I did my best on package free. We got a lot of recyclables that we're gonna have for lunch today. Kelly has camp today, so Wyatt and I have had the morning together, and now we're gonna walk around downtown while we wait for him. Wyatt's super happy about it. Oh. You working?
Party decorations and Batman and caution tape comes up.
Mom's helping me plan Kelly's little birthday party. See, we're trying to make it be zero waste, and look at all the garbage that's in a usual birthday party. So much garbage. And just like money that you just have, you spend it to look at it for a day. There's gotta be other cool stuff. So far our ideas are to fill mason jars with colorful something. Did you say what it was?
And your what's the board?
Oh, and to do my chalkboard.
People are gonna, so you have paper plates for me. How are they gonna eat? Or, you know, have snacks? I guess, oh, usually napkins. You could do a cup. Everybody could have it. Oh no, you wouldn't want to give the kids glass, Jen. Oh look, there's a minion party.
We're getting off track now.
Look at these. I want this. That Batman.
Pin the badge on Batman?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Pin badge.
That's good.
Pin the badge. I want this too.
That? What is that, do you think?
It goes on the wall. Hey, look at this. You should do that too.
Okay, that I can do. We have old construction paper we can cut into that.
Can you do this? Pin the badge.
Just got home. Got a flat tire. When I got out of work, I noticed my front tire was flat. Tried pumping it up, but the valve stem's busted off. So since this tire was shot anyways, and the tube shot, I just decided to do a wheelie the whole way home. No, I'm just kidding. I just took the back roads and kept it slow. Made it home. Probably not the smartest thing, but I've ridden off-road probably 30 miles with a flat front, so I figured 4 miles on the road going slow wouldn't hurt. I made it.
40% off, 60% straight.
Okay. And what was the other two?
The 110 is the... Okay, and what brand is that? We have no kids, and we're driving into the city to do a little shopping, secret shopping. Shane had a flat front tire on his way home today. That's a dual sport, like dirt bike front tire, not like a car. He texted me, and my phone was actually in the couch cushions, thanks to little guys. And so I didn't know he might need help, and he ended up...
I just pumped it up enough and then went slow on the back roads.
We're calling around to see what bike places have a tire that he can purchase. He usually purchases his tires on Amazon, and it's always fun to see the delivery guys bring the tire into the house. It's those fun, unexpected purchases that really make life interesting. At least we don't have to sit in that traffic every day. It's funny to look. Did you take any video of your commute compared to what other people do?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. Oh my gosh.
I did have that commute at one time.
go to the Cheesecake Factory. It's like the place that is the least cool place to go in Bellevue, but it sounds good. We're hungry and we don't have a lot of time. And when you very rarely get to go out without children, it's about the safest bet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Half of why we came here was because of the big selection of food, so that we thought, oh, there's vegetarian options, but everything has meat in it. Like everything, even, yeah, chicken is in everything, even the pastas, the salads. I've been watching a show on Bravo called Odd Mom Out, and they bring the bread to the table and they say no bread. And I was thinking that when they brought the bread to the table. Because I'm trying not to eat bread and it's really good. Shane's eating the bread for me. Yeah. I think in every vlog you should just eat. Like every shot.
That's the problem right there. That's not good. This tire's seen better days too. I'd say that's pretty used up. There's the new tire. Michelin this time. I haven't tried this one before, but new is better than old any day. We'll see.